What are real-world examples of slope in linear relationships? Imagine you're filling a swimming pool and want to know how fast the water level rises as you add water. The rate at which the water level increases is a perfect example of slope in a real-world situation. When you drive a car and check your gas mileage, the miles per gallon you get is another clear example. If your car uses 20 miles for each gallon of fuel, that rate shows how much distance you cover per unit of gas. Think about shopping with a gift card. If each pretzel costs $2.50, every pretzel you buy reduces your gift card balance by that amount. The slope here tells you how much your balance drops with each pretzel. If you look at the stock market, the change in a stock's value compared to the overall market can be seen as a slope. For example, if a stock tends to go up 0.8% for every 1% increase in the market, that rate helps investors see how closely the stock follows market trends. Temperature changes over the course of a day also show slope. If the temperature rises from 60 degrees in the morning to 70 degrees in the afternoon, the slope indicates how quickly the temperature is climbing. If it drops from 70 to 60, the slope is negative, showing a decrease. When making lemonade, the amount of sugar needed per lemon can be shown on a graph. The slope here helps keep the recipe consistent, showing how much sugar to add for each lemon used. Understanding the sign of the slope is important. A positive slope means both variables increase together. A negative slope means one variable goes up while the other goes down. If the slope is steep, the change happens quickly. If it is flat or zero, there is no change at all. Calculating slope helps us see patterns and make predictions in everyday life. Whether you're figuring out fuel efficiency, shopping costs, or how temperature changes, understanding slope makes these ideas easier to grasp. It connects algebra to real-world situations, helping you see how things relate and change over time.